Hey everybody, we find ourselves back here in another one of our milling operations. I'm joined by Bill Moss. Billy, tell the folks, how long have you been with Baird Brothers?
I've been with Baird Brothers for 34 years.
So there you go, guys. There's another one of our employee longevity stories that we have out here. And it shows. It shows in our product. You want to know how to mill flooring? Billy's going to show us. Bill, why don't you show us what we're running today? Go ahead and grab
Okay. This is black walnut we're running. This is 3-inch black walnut feed groove flooring, end match.
Okay, so this is just one of the examples of the variety of hardwood products. We have the red oak, the white oak, the quarter sawn oak, the black walnut, the cherry, the maple. What am I forgetting?
We got a variety of about anything you can think of. Anything you want, we can run it for you.
So not only in species, but what kind of widths do we offer?
We offer widths from 2 1/4 clear up to 7, 8, 9 inches if you want it. I mean, it's a variety of width, whatever width you want.
Okay, so we not only offer the solid 3/4 inch hardwood flooring we're all used to, but we're also manufacturing an engineered product now. Tell us a little bit about the engineered process.
Yeah, the engineered product is a veneer on a plywood, and it's 5/8 thick, and there's a variety of species in that too. It's end mat.
That's going on, what, a bolted birch backer as far as the plywood?
It's bolted foot, yes. And they usually put it on concrete. That's what engineered flooring for the moisture content.
What's the wear layer, the actual hardwood surface wear layer thickness?
The wear layer is about 200,000. It's just under 1/4 inch.
So you've got a pretty substantial wear layer on that engineered product. It's going to last very similar to our salt product.
Oh, yes, it will. It would last a long time. Yes, it will.
All right, Billy. Hey, thank you. I'll let you get back to work. Have a good day.